Stop snoring tonight. Snoring is more common than Netflix, affecting 1 out of every 2 American adults. Yet we don't love to talk about it because there's a lot of emotion tied to snoring. Embarrassment, shame, guilt, irritation, anger. Let us shine some light on this pesky nighttime monster. Snoring happens when the flow of air through your mouth or nose is restricted or blocked. Kind of like when you accidentally suck up something in your vacuum and you hear a terrible uproar. Snoring is worse when you sleep on your back. Why? Gravity works with your tongue, pulling it back into the throat, blocking airflow even more. You get noise that sounds like a buzzsaw. What if there was a simple, easy solution to make it stop? The answer is yes. The latest medical studies have proven that sleeping on your side gives dramatic results, ultimately stopping your snoring entirely. However, we all change positions during our sleep. So how do you train yourself to stay on your side while you sleep? The answer is wearing a slumber bump at night, an ultra-weight breathable belt attached to an inflatable bag that you wear, allowing you to sleep comfortably on your side throughout the night. Your breathing can return to normal, and you have successfully stopped your snoring. Buy now. 1. Inflate. 2. Wrap around your chest. 3. Climb into bed. Wrap on a slumber bump and stop snoring tonight.